Today we're on the adventure of the seas.
Colonial Hilton was pretty much contactless.
We were closer to the elevator than this.
Well, we might be a little bit.
I'm actually probably confusing with another cruise that we booked. Because I was thinking, oh yeah, how close to the elevator?
Here we go.
Yeah.
8580. This is us for the next week. Sanitized and ready for you. Hold on. Magic cards. I mean, I guess somebody's not just going to come down here and like pick one and go into somebody else's stateroom, right? Hey, here you are. And there I am.
I started delivering some luggage so far.
So first impressions.
So for the amplification, did the rooms also get updated?
For this particular ship, I'm not sure.
This looks a little different. Well, maybe not. I guess the couch was over here.
I mean, they would have potentially like replaced the carpet and the furniture and things like that. But the physical layout of the room, probably not.
Pool towels to go. It's never been easier to prepare your day at the pool. Fill out this card with your information and how many pool towels you'd like. Then just leave it on your bed before 6 p.m. and we'll deliver them right to your stateroom. Is that how you have to get your pool towels now?
I don't know. Everything's changed.
That's interesting.
So let's see what we got over here. Here you go.
Oh, they left us,
Yeah, we got cookies.
So wait, is this the bottled water you ordered?
No, remember
These
they were cans. They're supposed to be.
So these are the ones that we get because we're Emerald, I think.
Yeah.
Because we get a treat and we get water, I think.
It's supposed to be 24 cans. That's the way it was
It's a little
packaged.
strange that it's not here yet, right? Usually it is.
Well, it was listed as they deliver on day 1. This is interesting. I don't know that I remember.
Oh, holy smokes!
What?
I don't think we're getting cans, Patrick.
Okay, so it's a case. That's what we usually got. Was actually the larger Avion box.
Yeah, 12 whatever size those are. Is that liter or?
Yeah, they should be 1 liter
Yeah,
bottles.
12 1 liters. So it's not cans.
That actually works. This is what I was looking for
yeah.
when I went to check out, but they showed us the cans.
That is weird.
Gotta have that. Internet. Let's see. What else do we have here? Safe sailing. And of course, all of the COVID related. What's that? Oh, your Cafe Select. So
How are they doing that now?
Your coffee card.
It is a card or what is it?
Well, we have to go down to deck 5 to get it at the Cafe Promenade.
Oh, that's interesting.
So you probably have to show them your C-Pass card when we get down there, and then you can get your coffee card.
Yeah.
Day at Coca Key. What are these for? Oh, just like little. Oh, disposable face masks. Good. Little hand sanitizer there. Yeah, home sweet home for the next week.
Is this safe?
Pretty standard stateroom deal here. Laundry service. Laundry service works quite well on this ship. The only thing you have to do with the laundry service is you just have to allow for how long it takes for them to do it and get it back to you. So you have to sort of build in that time frame. When we do our 14-night transatlantic next year, that's going to be a big deal. Muster Station C8. Standard stateroom. And then, of course, the bathrooms. Don't rush to flush. Haha, this brings back memories. It's been almost 2 years to the day, like literally to the day, within a couple of days of when we were on the Ovation of the Seas in 2018. And the staterooms, very, very similar. Pretty basic. If you've been on any Royal Caribbean cruises, a lot of this will look familiar to you. What? This might be obstructed view statement or obstructed view balcony. I'm not 100% certain. I thought I did a regular balcony, but maybe I didn't. I mean, this will work. It's still a balcony. But yeah, it does look different than the balconies we normally do. But I don't remember. Yeah, but this is all pretty standard. You can get all kinds of water down here from, depending on what's going on out at sea and everything. Yeah, it'll work. The Freedom of the Seas in Nassau for a port stop. Yeah, the Adventure's the only one that's embarking from the Bahamas. Yes.
They're here for a port.
Yeah, they're out of Miami.
So you have to look at all of their balconies for the most part, and you see what you see on your left, and you see that on both sides. Whereas we've got this thing.
Well. Just the Are you trying to get us moved to another stateroom?